Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, Bay Area Hiking Guides. Give me that information, give me that knowledge to hike with confidence. And I'm going to make this video, there's a special message I wanted to send out to everybody. So I am heading off for Alaska. I'm going to be gone for 10 days. Quite the journey up there north. And I'm stopping off at a few locations. Really looking forward to this trip, and I and my wife are heading off for Alaska. So we're going to leave the 16th, and we will be back on the 26th. So we're going to be gone for 10 days. I have everything scheduled out, so there's still going to be videos that one of them just already got released, the top 10 hikes of the Bay Area for the summer. So that already got released. And then I have a grasses video that's going to come out next week. So everything's all scheduled out. The grasses video is done by a guy named Tyler. He's joining forces with us. Really knowledgeable guy. He's really knowledgeable in the grasses. So there's a lot of interesting hidden stuff, hidden truths about grasses that we have here in California that a lot of people don't know about. So definitely something you want to check out. Even if you don't live in the state of California, it is definitely a very educational video. Alright, so I'm going to kind of switch energy gears up here a little bit. Not really get too much into it, but I'm going to talk a little bit about my trip with Alaska and how important it is to me. I know it's not the Bay Area, but let's go over some of the things that I'm going to be doing in Alaska. And just real briefly, and my main goal, my main focus. I got to leave these guys here. And we'll let you on the ship there, dog. Sorry. I won't let you on the ship. Grizzly bears have no longer been in existence in California. They were pushed out long ago. Unfortunately, during the gold rush, they pushed them on out. And it's really, it's unfortunate that happened. And the history has proven there was some horrible things that happened to the grizzlies. You know, just shooting them, just massively shooting them because you couldn't take them down in one shot. They're just brutal. The hunting that took place, they put them in rings against bulls and pit them together and just have these battles. It's just so awful. So awful. And by the time we got into the gold rush, they were pretty much obliterated. And they either pushed up east or pushed north or were slaughtered. So it's really unfortunate that ended up happening. Anyways, I'm going to try to get not too emotional here because I'm very, very large advocate in the protection of wildlife and animals in general. You know, take what we need, not just slaughter everything. And I want to send a personal message to the grizzly bears from my energy. I'm a real energy deep individual. I might sound like I'm all, hey, happy-go-lucky all the time on the videos, but I actually can get pretty down deep and grounded pretty quickly. Something I've learned and picked up through just my time of spending a lot in nature and really getting involved with the trees. I know it sounds woo-woo to some of you, but it's who I am. And I never really wanted to bring it up on this channel because I feel that, you know, it's just focused on Bay Area Hiking Guy, but there's another side of me that a lot of people don't know. And one of them is being very deep and being very grounded. So I want to send this energy, and I want to send kind of an apology to them with just my energy and not like I'm going up and talking with them face to face or anything, but it's just kind of the energy that I'll send through them, and pass on to them, you know, and I do that by just silence. And I'm taking a kayak and I'm getting into the forest in Alaska, and I'm going to see if I can capture a few on the camera. I have a guide, and just be there, be in the moment. And if any of you would like to say anything or have something you'd like to say to the grizzlies, you're more than welcome to leave a comment down below. Hi, Mikey. Anyways, so thank you so much for watching this. I know it's not necessarily Bay Area hiking, but I want to send my apology to the grizzly bears and get a better understanding with who they are. It's such a misconception that these animals are giant and they're going around ripping everybody's face off. It's not the case at all. There's so much fear. So, anyways, thank you guys. I will be gone, and take it easy on Beth. She's going to be running this show. And she's not computer literate at all, so give her time. Okay? I've kind of taught her a few things, so we got all the videos scheduled out, so she'll try to comment back to you guys. But if you don't see anything, don't feel bad. I will check it out on the after the 26th. My goal when I get on the ship is to not be in the internet, period. It's like $65 for 190 minutes on the internet. No. It's just like it's another way for the universe to say, hey, you know what? I think that's probably not a good idea to be on the internet for the whole trip. What do you say? So I'm not going to be on the internet. I'm going to be away from social media, away from the internet. All right, guys. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. I feel so blessed. All you guys are so fantastic. Every one of you. Thank you. Have a great day. And see you when I get back.